early again for a morning ride at 7 a.m. out with Andrew and Birdie. The thing about today's ride is something new, is that the Feather winter bike I've had for many years, right here, I've made some additions to it. So it's my first ride on it. And if you remember a few weeks ago, or months ago, I had tested the SRAM AXS group set. Well, what I've done is I've taken that group set off that bike and I put it on this Feather, and it's super cool looking. So it's a rim brake access bike. I'm really excited by it, and today is my first ride with the full upgrade on it. It's awesome. I'm super stoked. Yeah, so we're just gonna take it out. Andrew's about to have a baby any minute, literally any minute now. So we're just gonna do some simple riding around the city. And actually, this video is a good example of exactly what a very normal ride in my life is. So nothing crazy, nothing out there, just a simple ride. So this is that. So a bit of a history story, which I'll start doing more in these videos. We're coming up on a bridge right now, right here. And this bridge actually was built by the Third Reich back during the 1930s, 40s. I'll put a picture of them building this exact bridge right now. It's super wild. Just still, know that it's still just hanging here, doing its thing. Andrew has a brand new bike, one of the first rides on it. It looks really cool. All City, what is it?
All City Zigzag.
Yeah, it's one of the things you have to have here in Salzburg. You have to have a good winter bike. Like, the roads get so icy and wet. And even in summer, like, the roads get really wet because of rain. So it's always a good bike to have. A nice Fender winter jam. I just left the guys. That is exactly what a bike ride in Salzburg, like a normal one, nothing crazy, no huge wild climbs or hike bikes. That is the normal ride, everyday here life type of ride. So I'm gonna stop now and show you guys all the changes I've made for the bike, because I'm really stoked on the changes and how it's set up for this winter, and I think it's really cool. So we'll stop in a minute and I'll show you guys exactly what I've done. So here's the build for winter. It's my Feather, made by Ricky Feather frame, won it at the Festa 500 a few years ago. This thing's been through everything. Like, I must have ridden 30,000 kilometers on this frame. So it's really one I'm gonna ride the rest of my life. I have the SRAM AXS group set, which I absolutely love. The ratio is perfect on this. We have a 46-33 here, and then a really nice big ratio in the back as well. I also had to get the force shifters, the axis shifters, because the rival group set only comes in disc brake. So if I wanted to run the rim brakes, I had to get force, because there's a rim brake version for force, but it worked really simple. Like, everything's super compatible on the axis group set, so that was like a non-problem. Obviously the bike has full fender setup on front and back. Really makes winter just a breeze having those. Overall, nothing really has changed in the build that much from the past, but it's really the perfect setup for winter now. No more exposed cables. I'm excited to see how the batteries last in the freezing weather, but I don't think there'll be a problem with that. So, all right, everyone, thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll keep on making videos every week, especially now that I'm getting up early as hell on Saturday mornings to ride. So yeah, see y'all later.